I'm going to walk you through what I call my reconstructed spaghetti and meatballs fatty. Start with some ground beef. You can use your favorite meatball recipe or even a meatloaf recipe. Next you're going to add in some cheese. I use string cheese here just to make it easy, and it's mozzarella, and that pairs really well with spaghetti and meatballs. Next I added some pre-cooked spaghetti with a marinara sauce. And then I threw on a couple homemade bratwurst just to give it some more meatiness inside, but it's not necessary. Next you're going to roll the meat up, making sure to seal all the edges nice and tight. Then you're going to wrap it with a single layer of bacon all the way around. Now it's time to go into the smoker. I did mine 275 for about 2 hours. Depending on the size of your fatty and the temperature you're running, you may need to increase or decrease the time. 165 internal temperature is going to be the safest way to go. Once it comes out of the smoker, let it rest at room temperature for about 10 minutes before slicing into it. This will help it stay together. Once sliced, stick it on a plate with your favorite fixins, and it's dinner time.